You need step-by-step for vlogging process method guide?
Cong LiVi is a Filipino content creator known for his vlogs on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. His YouTube channel, Cong LiVi Official, features a variety of videos, including daily life experiences and explorations. On TikTok, he shares short-form content, engaging with his audience through relatable and entertaining clips. In one of his recent videos, Hello guys, samahan niyo ako bibili tayo ng kape, Cong LiVi takes his viewers along as he goes out to buy coffee, providing a glimpse into his daily routine and personal preferences. His content often reflects everyday scenarios, making it relatable to a broad audience. All right, let's break this down into a step-by-step vlogging process guide that'll take you from zero to a full-fledged content creator. Step 1, plan your content. Before you even hit record, you need a game plan. Pick a niche: travel, tech, food, lifestyle, fitness, etc. Define your audience. Who are you talking to? Create a content plan. Brainstorm topics, trends, and formats. Write a rough script. Avoid rambling, but keep it natural. Scout locations. Whether it's a studio, street, or home setup, choose wisely. Step 2, get the right equipment. You don't need a Hollywood setup, but good gear helps. Camera. Start with a smartphone or a DSLR/mirrorless camera. Microphone. Audio quality is everything. Lavalier or shotgun mic is best. Lighting. Natural light works, but ring lights, softboxes are great too. Tripod gimbal. Stabilization is key to avoid shaky footage. Editing software: CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie. Step 3, shoot your video. Now it's time to bring your vlog to life. Set up your shot. Good framing, lighting, and background. Be yourself. Authenticity wins over polished perfection. Engage the audience, ask questions, tell stories, and use energy. Shoot B-roll, extra clips for transitions and storytelling. Record multiple takes. You can always edit later. Step 4, edit like a pro. Editing makes or breaks your vlog. Keep it tight and engaging. Cut the fluff. Keep it concise, under 10 to 15 mins max. Add background music. Set the vibe, but keep it copyright free. Use jump cuts and transitions. Fast-paced, more engaging. Add text overlays and graphics. Helps with emphasis and branding. Color correction and audio enhancement. Make it look and sound crisp. Step 5, upload and optimize for YouTube, other platforms. Posting a video isn't enough. Make it searchable and clickable. Create a killer thumbnail, bright, high contrast, and eye-catching. Write a catchy title. Use keywords, but make it compelling. Write an engaging description. Include keywords and call to actions. Use tags and hashtags, helps with discoverability. Add subtitles and timestamps, improves engagement and SEO. Schedule your post, find the best time for your audience. Step 6, promote and engage. Nobody will see your vlog unless you push it out there. Share on social media, IG, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Engage with comments, reply, and create a community. Collide and create a community. Collaborate with other vloggers. Shoutouts and collabs help growth. Use short reels. Repurpose your content for quick bites. Be consistent. Post on a schedule to keep viewers hooked. Step 7, analyze and improve. To grow, you need to track what's working and what's not. Check YouTube analytics, watch time, retention, click-through rate, see what people like. Double down on successful topics. Experiment with formats. Try different styles and video lengths. Improve your on-camera presence. Watch your own vlogs and refine. Bonus tips to level up. Find your style. Be unique. Don't just copy others. Develop a signature intro-outro. Helps with branding. Stay updated on trends. Be aware of challenges, memes, and viral content. Monetize. Once you grow, earn from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and merch. That's it. Follow this step by step, and you'll be on your way to becoming a vlogging pro. Let me know if you need help with any part.